Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you watching this video how to get HBO Max on your Airtel smart router. Now if you're a Nigerian, you should know that many streaming services are not available in the Nigerian market, such as Hulu, Disney Plus, and even HBO Max. The only streaming services that are available to the Nigerian market are just Prime Video and Netflix. And do you want to know the funny thing? On the box of this Airtel smart router right here, as you can see, they have the option for HBO Max. You can see Max right here, right? That's HBO Max. That thing is there, but yet, there's no sign of it when you use this smart router at all. There's no sign at all. So I'm going to teach you a workaround as to how you can get HBO Max on this baby right here. Now, before I start, I'm going to assume that you already have an HBO Max account. Now, let's assume that you do not have an HBO Max account and you want to get one. Here are the ways that you can do that realistically. The first and obvious way to get one is to get any friends or family members who you know are living in countries that are supported, such as the US and so on, and ask them if they can lend you their HBO account. This is something that I have done personally, so that's why I have HBO. Or if you want to have your own account and you don't want to rely on their account and everything, you can ask them to help you and open an HBO account, like in their country and stuff, with your details like your email and so on. And then from there, they can give you the email, password and everything. And then you can now get a dollar card from any of these bank apps or whatnot. And then from there, you can use it to make payments and all that for your HBO account if you can afford it. But if you know you do not have anybody at all to help you in any of these countries, here is what you can try and do. Try getting a VPN, and then from there, with your phone or laptop, you're going to go on the HBO website and you're going to register for an account. Then you can still use your dollar card if you have any, like from these virtual dollar card apps and so on, to try and also, get yourself like the payment and everything. Do you get what I mean? Now, with any of these methods, you should be able to get yourself an HBO account. And once you have yourself an HBO account, here is what you're going to do next to use the HBO on your smart router. Now, on your phone or laptop, you are going to Google Aptoide TV APK. Now, you're going to click on the first result that takes you to Aptoide's website. Once you're on the website, you're going to click on the download button and it's going to download an APK file that you're going to install into the smart router. Once the file has downloaded, you are going to get a flash drive and you're going to put the flash drive in your phone or laptop, whichever one you use to download the file. And you're going to copy that file into that flash drive. Next, before you plug in that flash drive into your smart router, you're going to go on the Play Store and download this app here called File Manager. Once you download File Manager, you can now plug in the flash drive. In fact, the File Manager app is going to automatically detect the flash drive and it's going to open it for you automatically. Do you get what I mean? Now, on that flash drive, you are going to search inside of the flash drive and you're going to look for the Aptoide app that you copied on the flash drive earlier. You're going to click on it and make sure that it installs. Now, if you get this security message saying that the app cannot install, blah, 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 make sure you click on settings. And then from there, you're going to enable the file manager for it to install the Aptoide. And from there, it's going to install. Once it installs and everything, you're going to open Aptoide. And from there, you're going to search for HBO Max. Once you search for HBO, you're going to see different results and everything. And you're going to select any one and install it. Also, here's a quick tip. If you see that any app is telling you that it requires a mouse before it can be used and everything, it means that you need something like this, that you cannot use the smart router remote because the smart router remote does not have any mouse feature. And basically, it's going to use this trackpad here to control the app and everything, which is going to be stressful and stuff. I know that many of us might not have this. And even if you do have this, using this part here to control it might be inconvenient and everything. And the remote might just be better overall. So I'm just telling you now, like, if you're comfortable, you can get one of these. But if you know you don't like that stress, then please do not install anything that says that it requires a mouse before it can be used. Anyway, you are going to let your HBO Max install. And when it wants to install and everything, if you get that security message again saying that thing cannot be installed, blah, 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 click on settings and make sure that you enable Aptoide. You get what I mean? You enable it, then from there it's going to install. Once the HBO has been installed, do not open HBO at all. Don't open it yet. Here's what you're going to do instead. On the Play Store of your smart router, look for this VPN called Proton VPN. You're going to install that and set up everything there. The thing that you should note is this: before you try to use the HBO, make sure that you go to that VPN first, always, before you open HBO on your smart router. Now, once you have set up the whole Proton VPN and everything, make sure that you select Singapore when you're connecting to the whole VPN and stuff. Select the Singapore location, and once it's connected, you can now open your HBO Max. Finally, you can get those login details you got earlier, and then you're going to put it into the HBO Max, and from there you can enjoy it. You can watch all sorts of series and movies and stuff. So if you're somebody who's a Cartoon Network fan, or you're somebody who's a fan of the DC as a whole, like all those DC like Superman, Batman, and so on, then HBO Max is the best streaming service for you. So yeah, that will be all for today's video. If you like stuff like this, you can subscribe, you can like and share this video to anyone who might need it. Okay, so bye.